i7 is a respiratory humidifier with integrated flow generator and oxygen blender that can deliver high flow warm and humidified gases to spontaneous breathing patients. During this COVID-19 epidemic, we delivered thousands of i7 to the globe and got a lot of positive feedback, like easy operation, excellent quality, and nice service. i7 is mainly used for treatment of hypoxemic respiratory failure patients. It can reduce the need for intubation and fatality rate, precisely control oxygen concentration, flush out dead space, promote oxygenation and carbon dioxide elimination, create a positive airway pressure to enhance lung recruitment. It flows up to 80 liters per minute and oxygen concentration is from 21% to 100%. The big range of dew point temperature setting is from 29 to 37 degrees Celsius that can suit more patients with heat intolerance. Blood oxygen module as an option is very convenient for clinicians to learn the patient conditions. The unique front cover design isolates the heating system of the machine from the outside and improves the heating effect of the machine. It also reduces the risk of hand burned by the hot humidifier chamber. i7 with so many features and user-friendly design will be your next HFNC product.